What is up, guys? Karate RC Guy here. Today I am bringing you a video of, this is video number 1. This is how to paint your Xbox 360 controller. So items you're going to need for this is obviously you're going to need your Xbox controller, a driver with, I'm not really sure how to explain it, with like a socket head on the end. Oh, you're going to need a socket. This socket is a 1/4 inch, so it looks like that, and it'll fit on the driver like that. And lastly, you're going to need a Torque T8 wrench or bit. I got mine out of this bit set that my dad has. Now keep in mind that this is the one that has the hole in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. So yeah. So I got a piece of paper to put all my screws on the back on. So let's get started. So there's on the back of the controller, the unremoved battery pack. Okay, and there'll be a sticker right here that you also want to remove, right here. And yeah, let me just make sure you guys can see that. Yep, right there, right here, there'll be a screw that you gotta remove. So I'm gonna do this hopefully pretty quick, and hopefully we can get this done. So the first one I'm gonna take apart, is the 7. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, do not forget the one in the middle here. Put that on there. Now I've also heard this done with like a small regular screwdriver, or as other people know it as a flathead. And I've also seen people do it with a Phillips screwdriver also, so I'm going to put my first screw there. So yeah, I've also seen people do it with a Phillips screwdriver. But if you have a T8 set or a Torque set sitting around, that's great. Now this is the T8, if you guys didn't realize. You can pick them up singular or by themselves, probably like $5 or something. $3 to $5 probably at Ace Hardware or so. I need to figure out where it goes in the middle here. There it is. So I'm on my third one. Here's 3. Now I'm going to take out the one on the other side. The last one I'm going to take off is the one in the very middle, so it weight balances. Or so it balances weight, so it's not putting too much stress on one of the screws more than the other. Didn't pull that one all the way out. Oops. Here it is. 4th one. Put it back in. And now the left outside one. Hopefully this will reach. If not, I'm going to have to grind it down a little bit. Yeah, so I'm going to have to grind these bottom 2 down because this will not fit in there, which that's a big problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the middle one. Right here, I'm taking out the middle one. Make sure if this helped you out, hit that like button and that subscribe button. And also make sure to leave a comment. I don't care what it is, either constructive criticism, an insult, a compliment, or whatever. Whatever you guys feel that this video deserves. Just put my leg down. I have like kind of like knee problems, and I need to stretch out my leg every now and again. Let me try getting this side first. Yeah, there's definitely a problem that it doesn't fit in there. This is a problem. Well, guys, I guess I'm going to have to end the video here. Due to the fact that I cannot get the last two out. Like, it'll come apart. See that? All you gotta do is push the bumpers down and then pull it. But I guess I'll bring that in the second video. So this is video 1 of taking apart your controller. And so yeah, guys. So Creditor, see you out.